So, we're still on rationale for planning. The rationale for planning is simply about reasons why things we have to put together when we are planning. As a company, because you are a company, because you want to achieve your goals, it means you need to make a plan. That is done. But part of your plans are why do you even exist? Your existence.
Your purpose.
Your purpose. Who do you serve? What do you do? Because all these questions are questions that will help you with your plans. Yes or no? So it simply means we need a mission statement before we can forge ahead as a business. The mission statement. So what do I call it a mission statement? It's a mission statement because it's the summary of the aim and the values of what we have as a company. Our values, our aims as a business, as a company. That is what we get through our mission statement. So it is a concise declaration of the company's fundamental purpose, defining what it does, who it serves, and why it is in existence. So the mission statement will talk about what we do, who we serve, and why we are in existence. That is our mission statement. So the vision, the objective of the business are guided through the mission statement. Like I showed you earlier. Do we understand what a mission statement is here?
Yeah.
The summary of the aims and values of a company. We simply talked about a concise declaration about the definition of what we do, who we serve, and why we are in existence. Do we get mission statement here? Good. So a strong mission statement allows the business to develop strategic plans and objectives. Because you have a strong mission statement, it gives stakeholders the opportunity to relax that they are in the right place. So I don't have to see what you do. I can get to know what you do through your mission statement. So a very strong mission statement gives us a clear vision of what the business is. Do you get it? So as soon as you have a vision statement, the next thing is what? To make a plan. Strategic planning. Do you get the point I'm making here?
Yeah.
So, what are the types of plans we have? We have strategic plan, we have contingency plan, we have financial plan, we have tactical plan, we have operational plan, we have workforce planning. All these are plans that the business needs to achieve its goals. So your mission statements are what we put together to achieve our goals. But we can't achieve our goals without making a plan. It's just like if we don't plan, if we fail to plan, we are planning to fail. So it's simple as that. So for every business that wants to be successful, it needs to come up with different plans at any point in time. Tactical, strategic, operational, financial. You have to come up. Workforce planning. You have to come with a plan. Without all these plans, it is difficult for a business to thrive or to succeed. So let's look into different plans we have. The first one is strategic plan. For a strategic plan, it's simply about a long-term plan for the company. So you think about the long-term goals. How do you want to get there? What and why do we have to get there? So look at what I wrote. Strategic plan. It is a long-term plan for achieving overall goals. It is made up of making many tactical plans. We have tactics to quickly make a result. That is tactical. But different tactics used, when you put them together, it becomes strategic. So, if a team needs to win the Champions League, a football club needs to win the Champions League, it needs to prepare. These are strategic plans. But how to get there is tactical.
Listen, this is not any other normal plan. Every plan is to get somewhere. What makes a strategic plan different from any other plan?
What makes it different is that how long, the duration of it.
Yeah, because it's long term.
Yeah, the duration makes it different.
5-10 years.
Yes.
Okay.
So the duration makes you to understand that it's strategic. So for strategic plan, like I said, it's about 5 to 10 years. And who are those that make strategic plans? The senior management, the board of directors. They are the ones that are in charge of decision making within the organization.
Yeah.
So they are there not for just today, but for the nearest future. That is strategic plan. Do you understand strategic plan here?
Yeah.
It's 5 to 10 years, and it's about why and what. What do we want to get? Why do we have to go through this way? The why and the what is strategic. But when it comes to tactical, it is how. How to. Do you get it? Any question about strategic plan?
No.
Good. Then we have tactical plan. For tactical plan, I wrote, it's a detailed short-term roadmap, breaking down larger strategic plan into specific actionable steps, like your dedication, how you carry your responsibilities, how you get it done. A football manager, a coach of a football club, would need to win a match right now because it's 90 minutes. That is tactics. Do you get it? And that's why it's about what? Your task, your deadlines, your responsibilities that we need to put together to achieve that goal. It's tactical. It is about how to. Do you understand tactical?
Yeah.
The third one, and it's between 1 to 2 years, carried out by middle management. Therefore, operational plan. Operational plan is all managers. Operational is all the levels of management. Yeah, it's operation. Operation is the lifeblood of the organization. So for operational, it outlines goals and objectives to be achieved on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. That is operational. We need to achieve this. It is part of what it is the doing within the organization. So it is not specified. It is not just for operational, we could say, yeah, for all levels of managers. Or probably, let's say, the manager of the organization. We have the senior manager, we have the middle, and the normal managers. Those that take decisions about what happens day in, day out. Like the principal of the school is a manager. It's operational. Do we get it, please? Do you understand operational here? Do we understand that, please? Great. So that's about operational. Then we have contingency plan. For contingency plan, we can call it backup plan. What do I call it? Backup plan. This is a plan regarding unforeseen events.
Plan B.
Plan B.
Plan C.
Do you get it? So these are plans for unforeseen circumstances. This is a plan for unforeseen events. It's 0 to 1 here. So unexpected situation might occur. How do we make plans for that? What's our plan C? Plan B. We call it what? Contingency plan. Or a backup plan. Is it clear?
Yeah.
The next one is financial plan. For financial plan, we simply talk about the financial analyst, the finance department of an organization. What plans do they make? It outlines the company's financial goals. What are our goals? When we talk about financial goals, maybe revenue, maybe profits. The budgets, our plan on when to spend, when not to spend. And the cash flow. We talked about cash flow in accounting class. The receipts and the payments.
In and out.
Yes.
Cash.
So that is financial plan. Do you understand financial plan?
Yeah.
And the last one is the workforce plan. For workforce planning, it is important. Employees. It is continuous. It is what? Continuity. It is continuous. Continuity, yeah. Forever. In as much as the business continues to run, it needs to always make vacants available. Do you understand? It's continuous. It doesn't end. Workforce planning doesn't end. Yes. Because there's only going to be labor or turnover. So for workforce planning, it's a strategic process that ensures the business has the right number of employees, the right numbers of employees, but not only the quantity, also the quality, which involves what? The skills necessary when and where needed. So this talks about the quality of workforce. And this talks about what? The quantity of workforce. Do we get it?
Yes.
Any question about mission statements and plan? Thank you, you can write.